Hi guys, this is RECode presentation presented by VIGNESVARAN, third year automobile engineering. Today I am going to share about a CAD software named SolidWorks. SolidWorks is a brand within Dassault System that develop and market solid modeling, computer-aided design, computer-aided engineering, 3D CAD design, and collaboration analysis and product data management software. SolidWorks released its first product, SolidWorks 95, in November 1995. SolidWorks was developed by John Pistick, an MIT graduate, and was bought by Dassault System into the market in 1997. The software now consists of a number of programs that can be used for both 2D and 3D designs. Why SolidWorks? Accelerate product development. SolidWorks offers a seamless workflow that covers all aspects of product development from design to manufacturing. Improve product quality. SolidWorks simulation helps designers test their design and identify flaws before producing a physical prototype. Streamline inspection. SolidWorks inspection can help you streamline the creation of inspection documents by leveraging existing 2D data. Connect with 3D experience. SolidWorks connect with the 3D experience platform to provide an all-in-one solution for data management and design work. Professions and industry benefits from SolidWorks. SolidWorks was mainly used in industries like aerospace and defense industries, consumer packaged goods, transport and mobility, energy, process and utilities. Professions. This was mainly used by mechanical engineers, product engineers, designers, architects, electrical engineers. These are some of the designs made by SolidWorks. The design may be from simple bolt and nut to a complex engine design or a robotic arm design and analysis of thermodynamic flow around a race car. SolidWorks simulation. SolidWorks simulation is a finite element analysis program built into the familiar SolidWorks CAD interface. Simulation provides designers and engineers the tool they need to quickly test their designs and intelligently iterate on them. Tools in simulation. Linear static analysis. This design using linear materials under steady-state load condition to quickly analyze the stress strain displacement acting on the part or material. Kinematic analysis. Leverages user-defined constraints in assemblies and mechanical inputs like gravity, spring, force, etc. Fatigue analysis. Used to test the life of designs due to fatigue failure. Frequency analysis, also known as model analysis. This test is used to determine both the model shape and natural frequencies of both parts and assemblies. Thermal analysis. This test gives engineers a method to study and understand the heat transfer, both the steady state and transient state, through conduction, convection, and radiation. Buckling analysis. Used to analyze load-bearing structures that are placed under compressive forces. Some important SolidWorks features. Rendering. SolidWorks Visualize will help you make presentation ready rendering a cakewalk in the park. You can import SolidWorks CAD files directly into the software and those rendered with accurate lighting, texture, and reflection. Simulation. Through simulation, parts can be subjected to stress test for structural flaws with accurate measurements and powerful analysis tools. One can measure flow rates and compressions to reduce the need to build and test physical prototypes. Evaluation. Once a part or assembly is done, the drawing tool can be used. It instantly creates an accurate 2D representation of a part and enables the user to drag and drop different view angles to come up with the complete orthographic representation. Manufacture. Once a part gets evaluated, it's ready for manufacture. SolidWorks can generate G code that could be sent straight to CNC machines ready for production. Now we are going to see a easy SolidWorks tutorial. Let's see how to model a bolt and nut. First, start with the nut. Go to sketch, and let us choose the top plane. Choose the polygon tool. Draw a polygon with 6 sides. Giving the dimension between these 2 points as 20 mm. Make this line horizontal. And then we can extrude this feature up to 10 mm along the plane. Then choose surface, sketch. Draw a circle, choose the end and the circle, make them tangent. Now go to extrude cut through all, flip side to cut, angle at 45 degrees, click OK. Now we can go to mirror tool, primary face of plane, select top plane and pitch up to mirror extrude cut 3. Now we can get the shape of nut. Then sketch. Since we are using M per nut, the radius of the diameter of circle should be 12 mm. Extrude. The length should be 40 mm on the surface. Now select the extrude chamfer, it's 0.5 mm. Now to draw a thread, go to hole wizard, thread location, the starting location, choose the end point and the end condition. Choose this dot and select offset, give 5 mm. Specification, the type should be metal type, or enter 1.5, then click OK. We have designed the see how to model a bolt. Go to sketch, top pen, draw a polygon with 6 sides. Make the distance between the points as 20. No. This side rectangle. Go to features, extrude, and the mid plane, click OK. So this plane, sketch, draw a circle, make this line and circle, tangent, extrude cut, flip side to cut, draw 45 degrees. Now go to mirror, select top plane, extrude cut, click OK. Up to this, the process is similar to the design of that. Now select the surface, sketch, draw a circle, dimension of circle is 12 mm, extrude cut, through all, click OK. Then select the center, 0.5 mm. Similarly on the other side. Click OK. How to draw threads? Hold user thread. Let's start indication. Give anywhere top or bottom. And the other side. Specification. Make the type as metric tab. Size is same. Look offset of 500 on the other direction. Click OK. Now we created our code. Thank you.